Vehicles equipped with Operating System 7.0 offer a completely new way to interact with your vehicle. Please note that full functionalities also depend on market availability and software version. You can communicate in a very natural way and simply start the interaction with "Hey, hi" or "Hello BMW."
Hey BMW.
Hello, what can I help you with?
With the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant, you always have a true car expert on board. He can not only control various vehicle functions like
Hey BMW, turn on my seat heating.
I set the seat heating at the driver's seat at level 3.
Or, for example,
Hey BMW, change the ambient light color to green.
The light color green with contouring in green has been selected.
This digital assistant even explains your vehicle and its condition.
Hey BMW, is my tire pressure still okay?
The current pressure is all right for all tires.
He is also your perfect co-driver.
Hey BMW, take me to the airport.
Which one of the destinations shall I select?
Number 1.
Perfect. Munich Airport is our next destination.
And can tell you about the weather.
Hey BMW, what's the weather in Munich today?
Today it will be partly cloudy in Munich with temperatures between 5 and 18 degrees.
Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.